Welcome to the S Obenchain Ranch and Estate. This Southern Oregon ranch boasts extreme privacy, 120 acres, water rights, and a stunning estate home. There is also a second home, barn, multiple shops, and miles of trails, all with a picturesque and beautiful setting. Here, you can enjoy all that rural lifestyle has to offer, yet benefit from the convenience of being only 8 miles from Eagle Point and 18 miles from Medford and the Rogue Valley International Airport. Built in 2017 by renowned custom home builder Michael Pagnini, the estate home features quality craftsmanship, exquisite finishes, and a wonderful contemporary design. As you enter the home, you are greeted by towering ceilings and a flowing and open concept floor plan. The living space includes wood beams, modern fireplace with elaborate stonework, and floor-to-ceiling windows that face both the patio and pool. Made for entertaining and culinary enthusiasts, the kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, large marble island, oversized walk-in butler's pantry, custom cabinetry, and more. Situated on the north side of the home is the luxurious master suite with a beautifully appointed private bathroom and 2 walk-in closets. Two guest bedrooms, large office, utility room, and 3-car garage round out the single-level floor plan. Outside, you'll find a spacious entertaining space with covered patio, outdoor kitchen, and custom saltwater pool with hot tub. A grid-tied solar system provides power to the main home, shop, and barn. The grounds around the home are professionally landscaped to complement the quality of the home. A short distance from the house is the recently constructed shop and horse barn. The shop is 2,500 square feet with full RV hookups, bathroom, and more. The horse barn includes 4 stalls, tack room, and hay storage bay, as well as power, great lighting, water, and high-quality stall fronts. There's also an outdoor riding arena and numerous trails to enjoy. The ranch's water rights come from a permitted ag well that is approved for year-round use. There is also a pond and a seasonal creek. Historically operated as a small cattle ranch, the property is fully fenced and enjoys a mix of pasture, oak savannas, moderately sloping hillside, and draws. The 2,286 square foot second home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, a spacious vaulted living room, and provides the perfect opportunity for a 2-family setup on the ranch. Additional outbuildings include a hay storage barn, second shop, and several storage buildings. The outdoor recreational opportunities offered by this property are exceptional and include extensive trails for hiking, horseback riding, and access for hunting. Located in the Rogue Hunting Unit, The owner has access to over-the-counter tags for deer, elk, bear, turkey, upland game birds, and more. The location is especially desirable for black-tailed deer hunting and has a history of producing trophy bucks. The Southern Oregon region is known for an intense natural beauty that includes world-renowned attractions such as the Rogue River, Crater Lake National Park, Mount McLaughlin, and many more recreational opportunities. With a distinct 4 seasons and mild winter, this climate is known as one of the most enjoyable in North America. Centrally located between the Bay Area and the Pacific Northwest metropolitan areas of Portland and Seattle, this offering provides the buyer an opportunity to enjoy luxury, a refreshing rural lifestyle, and a charming small-town culture. Thank you for touring this property with us today.